Welcome. Today we'll dive into how to create a crypto payment button on your Squarespace site, making it easier for your customers to pay using cryptocurrency. Why should you accept cryptocurrency? In 2025, cryptocurrencies are more mainstream than ever, offering lower transaction fees and increased security. Let's take a closer look at the crypto payment processors that work seamlessly with Squarespace, such as Coinbase Commerce, BitPay, and others. Here's a step-by-step guide to choosing the right payment processor for your business needs and customer preferences. Once you've chosen your processor, let's set up an account. Follow these simple prompts to get started. Now, let's create your crypto payment button. We'll walk through the process step by step. After creating your button, it's time to integrate it into your Squarespace site. Here's how. Before going live, make sure to test your payment button functionality to ensure a smooth customer experience. Once everything's set up, it's time to promote your new payment option to your customers. Consider utilizing social media, email newsletters, and website banners. In conclusion, accepting cryptocurrency opens new avenues for your business. As the future of online transactions evolves, be sure to stay ahead of the curve